Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's a new week. It's Tuesday today, so happy new week to all of you. I hope you all doing very well. We had an amazing weekend, like you can see in yesterday vlog. We had a new intro, so I hope you all like the new intro. Have fun, enjoy the vlog. I catch you guys along this day.
Just want your green juice, don't it? There you go.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's raining outside. Go in the living room. Go on.
Go outside.
No, you can't go. It's raining. Hi, Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is raining this morning. Raining like crazy outside. I didn't expect it to be raining so much today. But it's raining and we're just gonna have to deal with that. Tyler have daycare today, but I don't have work. It will also give me some time to just be alone, away from Tyler, away from Babe, and just chill. So I decided to take him to daycare today. So he have daycare, so we're gonna do that. So I'm just going to get on with my day. I just finished working out, you guys. I'll show you a little clip of what I did this morning, the usual.
It's my stomach.
Yeah, let me kiss. Kiss. Give mama a kiss. I love you.
Oh, it's wet. It's wet.
It's wet.
Yes.
Cause mama sweaty. Ew. But it was fun. Of course, I struggled this morning to get out of bed. I actually got out of bed and went back in bed, and I was scrolling through my social media, and I said, you know what, Mel, go through the motions, girl. Just get up and do it. So I got up, and I'm happy I did. Mission accomplished. Workout is done. I just making green juice for Tyler and I. Of course, that's our morning routine most weekdays. So I'm gonna have my green juice, jump into making dinner, and then feed Tyler lunch and get on with our day and drop him to daycare and all that good stuff. So let's see what I'll find to do in this rain. I was hoping that it's going to be sunny so I could go to the beach and chill until Tyler, I'm ready to go pick him up from daycare, but that looks like it's not gonna happen because it's raining. Let me just show you guys how much it's raining right now. If you guys can see outside, you see how white it is out there? Can't even see over the city because it's just raining like crazy. Babe is gone to work. Yeah, so if he didn't vlog this morning, you guys will see him later. So make sure you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay motivated, stay positive, stay loved, and stay smiling, and have a good day. Let nothing and no one let you not have a good day today. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. What? You finished already? Huh? Look at your mouth. Look at those chocolates still on your mouth from your toes. Can you say good morning, Faith? Tell Faith what you're doing. Look in the camera. Tell them what you're doing.
Juice.
You're drinking juice? Well, you finished drinking it. It was yummy? Yeah? Alright, give Mama your cup. Watch him going to eye mine. Watch him eyeing mine. What you say?
Juice.
That's for Mama. You already have yours. No, this for Mama. Why you think you should drink yours and then drink my Mama? Go sit. So you can have some of Mama juice. Alright, Mama gonna give you some of hers. The struggle. You guys, I'm doing so much things all at once. I didn't even get to talk to you guys. I am in the kitchen making lunch and dinner at the same time. This right here is lunch. What I have in here is just seasoning sauteing. To have assorted sweet pepper, garlic, and onions. And I have some seasoned beef here, which, hold on. Oh yeah, I have seasoned beef, which I'm gonna throw in here. I'm just making some filling for panadillas for lunch. So I'm gonna leave some of this for Dave, so he can probably have it tomorrow for his lunch. So I'm just going to add all these bean sprouts to it, just to make the filling for the panadillas a little bit more filling. And I'm just going to let this saute for a few minutes. And lunch should be ready. And I'm just going to add this to the panadilla cups. Let me show you guys a close-up of it. That's lunch. And then dinner is blanching over here. I have carrots, broccoli, and green beans in here, and I'm going to add corn to that. And over here I have some chicken legs in herbs, which just finished. Hey you, what you doing in my kitchen? Huh? Alright, get out of the kitchen. So I'm on a roll, and funny enough, the rain has subsided, you guys. The rain has subsided and the sky is clearing up a bit, so that is good. So hopefully, fingers crossed, by the time we're leaving, it's gone. It's gone completely. So I am going to turn all of this stove off and go and give Tyler lunch. And for lunch, Tyler is having some rice and sausage. That is in the fridge. So there goes veggies finish. I made extra veggies today because tomorrow is a hectic day for us, and I know I might not be able to cook, so at least I'll have some kind of vegetables to go with a quick fast protein. So that's done, and this is almost ready. Okay you guys, so this is what lunch is looking like for me. My panadillas, I'm just gonna have one because I'm not really that hungry, and have a kiwi. And Tyler is done for a nap. So I'm going to have lunch and get ready, pick him up, and go catch the bus to drop him to daycare. You guys, I have to take back my word, like literally. I have to take it back. Look at this plate. You see this plate? That panadilla tastes like heaven on earth. So your girl is going back for number 2. I said I only wanted one, but it tastes so good. The pepper is right, it is juicy, and I just can't resist not having another one. So I'm going back for number 2. I'm going for number 2. Sorry, not sorry. Just making it warm in the microwave just a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm just gonna leave a little for baby because I don't want to eat stuff, and don't leave any for him, of course. Go! Go, 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 go. You dis bonjour, okay? Go on, go, go, dis bonjour, allez. Go, baby. Come give mama a kiss. Later. I love you. Bye. You guys, Tyler is off to school. He's off to daycare, and I am going to find something to do to occupy my time, or let's see if I'll just go back home and let babe pick him up. But at least I get some time to probably do some shopping, to just chill, and to just reflect and think and have some Alone time is always good. And the fact that I don't have work today is a good time to capitalize on just being alone. I decided that I'm going to look for my friend Lily. So I'm going to her house right now. You guys, Lily and I had the most amazing afternoon, just chit-chatting and hanging out and having some girls' time, and that was refreshing to not have Thailand babe around for a few hours. Now I'm heading to daycare to pick him up, and he shall be excited because he's not expecting me to pick him up. He's expecting his dad to pick him up as usual. So let's see his reaction when he sees me. Let's see his little face.
Je crois qu'il y a quelqu'un qui a si. Regarde, il y a quelqu'un qui a pour toi, je crois. Allô, oui. Allô.
Oui. Oui. Alright.
I'm going to my pee-pee.
You wasn't expecting to see me. You're going to pee pee?
Pee-pee, yes.
Alright, go pee pee. Go.
Rain.
That was the absolute best moment of the day. He was so surprised. He wasn't expecting to see me, and he ran to me and literally fell on the ground because he wasn't expecting to see me. So sweet. Sam Bam is home and looking after dinner. Oh, everybody is hungry, so we jump right into the kitchen. Tyler is already eating. Let me show you guys Tyler. Tell the face what you're eating.
Eating butter, cheese, and chicken.
Yeah, pasta, cheese, and chicken. Enjoy. This one is mine. Oh, baby's having the bean sprouts and beef with a little rice and some veggies. Baby, it was so good at lunch. I had it in the panadilla little wrap thing.
Okay.
And I had one and I had to come back for a second one. It was heavenly.
Yummy, Tala will have
Oh,
yummy.
it was so good. I'm happy you're gonna have it for dinner.
Oh, you want some?
So that's what babe dinner look like, you guys. Hold on and let me show them what your dinner look like. That's babe dinner. Looks so good.
Mommy,
C'est Nemo.
Nemo, et des peurs.
Et ça, c'est Doré.
Papa,
Préoccupé.
papa,
Oui.
c'est quoi ça?
Ça, c'est un pêcheur. Préoccupé, Dory se laisse emporter par un contre-courant.
Papa, papa.
Tandis qu'elle...
Good night, night, babes. See you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi fibs, you guys. Our little rugrat just went off the bed. Coming on to give you guys a Jamaican and the French expression of today. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression for today is old file can't sharpen new machete. I know you were gonna die with this one. Old file can't sharpen new machete. In English, it says an old file cannot sharpen a new machete. Do you know what a machete is?
Yeah, the things to cut.
Yes, you know what a file is? The thing that I use to sharpen the knife.
Okay.
Right. So it's saying an old file cannot use to sharpen a new machete.
Okay, that's wrong.
In the, how is it wrong?
Because file never get old.
Then you don't know anything about file and machete. The translation simply means don't use the wrong tool for the job, as in always use the right tool for the right job. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. It's a French expression.
I should say it.
Oh, yes, say it. Old file can't sharpen new machete.
Old file can sharpen new machete.
Close enough, I'll
Close
take
enough.
it.
You take it. Good.
Yes.
The French expression for today is avoir un poil dans la main. Avoir un poil dans la main simply means to have a hair in the hand.
Okay.
Mean to be very lazy. Somebody who is very lazy, you say he have a poil dans la main.
You say here or ear?
His hair like this, like this.
Like cheveux.
Yeah, but we say in French we have two words. We have one word for cheveux and we have another word for poil.
That's why I asked you, because I didn't hear the word cheveux, so I wanted to know if it's ear in the ear.
Yeah, it's like cheveux, but
Okay.
we say these things. Yeah.
Okay,
Avoir
cool.
un poil dans la main.
Avoir un poil dans la main.
Close enough too. Tu as un poil dans la main?
Sometime.
Yeah, very lazy.
Sometime.
I don't know.
What? What did you say? No, what did you say?
I say I know.
Whatever. You're not sometime?
Oh yes.
We all are, I think, at some point. Anyway, you guys, there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
And my day was awesome. It was good seeing my girl Lily. I realized that I didn't I know that I didn't pick up the camera while I was there because I just wanted to spend some time with her and the baby and just chit chat without vlogging, and it was amazing. And Tyler just made my day perfect when I pick him up. I'm definitely going to have to go back and watch that clip and show babe his reaction when I pick him up from the daycare. It was just simple adorable. I hope I had catch it properly for you guys. Anyway, you guys, we are going to go ahead and tell you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and please turn on your notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.